How to access or connect your FTP account via the FileZilla FTP. This tutorial assumes that you have already installed FTP client FileZilla on your system. If you haven't installed it, watch another tutorial on how to install the FTP client FileZilla on Windows. Open the FileZilla client. Enter the host name in the host field. It is your domain name. Now enter the username in the username field and password into the password field. Enter the port number at which your server listens. The default port number is 21. You may leave the port field empty if your login information doesn't specify a certain port to use. Now click the Quick Connect button. Notice that the server pane displays files and directories on the connected server. The top area of this pane shows a directory tree, and a detailed listing of the contents open is displayed below. The local pane displays the local files on your computer. It is also displaying a directory tree at the top and the contents of the open directory below. You can upload or download files using these two panes. We explain about upload and download of files in another tutorial. Thank you for watching.